You have incredible talent. You know how to create things that are beautiful. But if those premium creations are currently sitting in boxes in your spare room, instead of making you an income, you don't have a business yet. You have an expensive hobby. Imagine confidently handcrafting a luxury soap. It's incredible, scented with pure lavender, throwing big, fluffy, smooth bubbles, and leaving skin feeling incredibly soft, clean, and moisturized. You are fully capable of making a product people fall in love with. The hardest part isn't your craft, it's the selling. Most master creators get stuck because they try to figure out marketing through pure guesswork. It's frustrating, it's overwhelming, and it keeps your talent hidden. This is exactly why we built the Creator to Moneymaker Kit. You are already the hero of your creative studio. This kit is simply the superpower that turns what you already make into a product people will actually buy. Let's look at exactly what you get to create this luxury experience. We've sourced premium base oils like olive, coconut, castor, and ultra moisturizing shea butter, plus true lavender 4042 essential oil and natural violet mica for that gorgeous hue. You also get 5 professional loaf molds and a heavy duty cutter. With these exact ingredients, you will create over 200 retail ready boutique quality bars of soap. That's over $1,000 worth of starting inventory right at your fingertips. But how do we guarantee that you can actually sell them? Because your kit also includes free access to the Creator to Moneymaker course. This isn't fluff or vague theory. It's a practical framework designed specifically for handmade product makers. Inside, you'll unlock the 7-step first sale roadmap. This practical guide gives you total clarity. It shows you exactly how to price your products with absolute confidence, choose where your buyers actually are, and position your brand clearly. This roadmap removes the friction so you can start building real sales momentum. We show you how to move seamlessly from I make this to I sell this, using clean, compliant language that lets your quality speak for itself. You've already mastered the craft of making. It's time to step into your power as a business owner and let your talent finally pay for itself. Let's start your milestone story today. Click the link below to claim your C2MM kit. Unlock your 7-step first sale roadmap for free and turn your hobby into a gold mine. Let's get you sold.